one made it over onto the hanging perch, and one made it all the way up by the ceiling. I like your game that you're playing. Are you winning?
No.
Are we going to turn it off?
Wait, look at Obi. They're in here.
I know. They're being good dogs.
Are you loud in here when the birds are out?
As long as they're being gentle and calm.
Yeah,
Stay here for a minute.
Dad, can I pet Bamba right now?
Not right now,
On the
because
tail?
he's just getting them off him. Maybe in a little bit. I'll hold him in you can.
Dad, can I pet baby, please?
Oh, nope, she's climbing already.
But Daddy, Daddy, excuse me. I wanted to pet baby.
Honey, you can pet them as soon as we clip their nails.
How about Romeo? You want to pet Romeo?
Romeo? Okay. Where's Romeo?
Daddy will get him.
Dad, can you get Romeo, please?
Come over here now, buddy. This way. Good job, Westyn. It's okay. He likes to sit on your shoulder.
Let go. Let go. Let go with your hand.
There you go.
But just come sit on your shoulder, honey.
Or he just might want to be on your arm and not your head.
Good job, Weston.
Dad, I'm on my head.
You sure did.
That is too funny. I can't believe that he just got him to go on his head.
Dad, where's Romeo?
I don't know.
Where'd he go?
I saw him minutes ago. Did you saw him minutes ago?
I saw him a few minutes ago, but I don't know where he went.
Yeah. Romeo! Where's Romeo?
I don't know where he is.
I don't know where he is. Here. I don't know where Romeo.
I don't know, but your hat needs you to fix it. Your hat's gonna fall off.
You sure?
Yeah.
Huh? It is Romeo!
Good
It's alright.
job,
Now he
buddy.
just wants to be on your shoulder and snuggle you like that. Not on your head no more. He says, no, buddy, I just want to be near you.
Uh-huh. He's just a little baby.
He is.
I
Hello,
think...
little baby. Can I pet you too? Oh, Romeo. Perfect job. He says, no, I don't want to go on your head.
He does.
Nope, he wants to be on your shoulder. Go ahead, put your arm down. He's already there. Hey, where's Romeo?